Afternoon. So my mate Lewis is picking me up. We're going to a bike meet this afternoon up in Ace Cafe in London. I'm going to be getting photos, videos, and I'm going to take you along and do a little vlog while we're there. So he's going to be here any second. I'm already sweating in a t-shirt, but let's go. Yo, Future Luke here. So when I filmed that first bit you just watched, I had full intentions of vlogging my first experience of Ace Cafe. I quickly realised that was not going to be possible because it was just absolute madness. So I'm just roll the clip. Let's just show you what the hell happened.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I've been waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sin. There's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me. Everything is on me, no matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me. Everything is on me, no matter what. Add it up, told her it's all me. Everything is on me, gon' back it up. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Cut your heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put no fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me. Everything is on me, no matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me. Everything is on me, no matter what. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
So yeah, the videos kind of speak for themselves. The fact that it was complete and utter carnage. We were there for about 10 minutes and then there was a Grom vs Police bike chase up and down the strip. As you saw in that sequence, the guy actually managed to get away. It was just utter madness. As the night went on, it got more and more chaotic, but it was sick. It was sick. Put the photos up on screen now, but that's it from me. If you like the video, please drop a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to see more of the content, all the other stuff that YouTubers tell you to do. If you're not seeing the next video, don't forget to take the shot. Peace. Yeet. I'm getting work.
No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me. Everything is on me, no matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me. Everything is on me, no matter what. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me.